You may also want to have a paper and pen as we proceed. Now moving on to vibrational clearing with EFT. Identify an issue that you have going on in your life, such as I'm anxious or I'm afraid, I'm angry or resentful, I'm fatigued or overwhelmed. Now, once you've identified one of these issues, on a scale of 1 to 10, how strong is that energy and feeling right now? Now that we've identified this issue with this energy and feeling, we'll work with this feeling and create a tapping series. So focus on that feeling if it was anxiety, and we'll apply it to the following statement. Even though I have this, whatever that keyword or feeling is, we're going to use anxiety in this case, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I have this anxiety, I deeply and completely accept myself. We're now going to tap the outer side of our hands, that's the side of the pinkies, and then we will say our phrase 3 times while we tap. Even though I have this anxiety, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I have this anxiety, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I have this anxiety, I deeply and completely accept myself. We'll now take our primary feeling and tap potent points to clear. And as we tap these points, we'll say our keyword or feeling over and over again. We'll be tapping around the eyes, under the nose, above the chin, on the chest under the clavicles, and below the armpits. So tapping these potent points, repeating the word that's your keyword for clearing. In our case, we're using an example of anxiety, so it would be anxiety, 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 anxiety. So repeating that keyword or feeling, anxiety, 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 anxiety. Again, continuing to repeat your keyword or feeling to create the clearing as you're tapping these potent points. Continuing to say your word for clearing. We will now use our phrase again as we tap the side of our hands. Even though I have this anxiety, I deeply and completely accept myself. Again, putting in your word. Even though I have this, putting in your keyword, I deeply and completely accept myself. And then rubbing the neurolymphatic points as you say your statement. Even though I have this anxiety, I deeply and completely accept myself. So heart, connection, and completion. Inhale to the third eye and ah to the heart. So inhale into that brain, the third eye, and ah. Exhale to the heart. Inhale to the third eye and exhale ah to the heart. And again, inhale to the third eye and exhale ah to the heart. And then smile to the light in your heart. So checking back with that energy and feeling that we started with, on a scale of 1 to 10, how strong is it feeling now? If it's still 1 or more, go back to the beginning of the vibrational clearing with EFT and do another series of tapping for a vibrational clearing until that comes all the way to 0, and then you'll integrate with heart connection breath. So allowing yourself some integration time and drinking plenty of water. And now we'll complete with 3 chants of Om. So inhale. And inhale. And inhale. Blessings always in all ways. May all beings be happy. May all be healthy and free. May we know the truth within. Om Shanti, peace. Namaste.